Hi guys, so today's video is going to be on the hair I have right now. It's just kind of easy, beachy kind of looking waves, you know, just kind of the effortless look, like you really didn't put a lot of time into it, you just kind of slept and went. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this hairstyle. It's personally one of my favorites for everyday use right now. So this is what we're getting. Just kind of the waves curled a little bit in some areas. It's just, you know, kind of all over the place. Keep in mind this is not supposed to be a nicely curled tutorial. It's just kind of wavy, beach-like hair. I'm going to show you really quick the products I used. First is a hair dryer. I just use a Remington one. You guys are probably going to wonder what it is. Just looks like this. Got it from Target a few years ago. I use that. Not really my favorite, but it's a hair dryer. I also use my Sedu flat iron. This is just a, what is it, 1 inch I do believe. And I also used my Biotera dry shampoo, which I absolutely love. But those are all the products I used. In the beginning of the video, you'll see me film from last night. I have absolutely no makeup on, so prepare yourself. I don't think I've filmed with completely no makeup and wet hair before. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am excited to put it up for you, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
It is reckoned.
Okay, so after you slept on them, they've dried, blah, blah, blah. This is what you should get. I know I look crazy. There's not really a time limit. Just kind of wait until they're nice and dry and ready to go. So I'm just going to take these out. That's what you're getting. Yeah. So this is what you got after you pull them out. They're just like the little crinkly kind of curls. And now I'm going to take my hair dryer and I'm just going to, you know, do the top of my head. I'm also going to take a round brush for my bangs and blow dry my bangs out because I'm very picky about them and they have to be the exact way that I want them. Now it's time to like straighten them and stuff. Make them a little bit more beachy, especially on top. I'm just going to kind of touch it up because since I suck at braiding and I only do like this side of my head, sometimes it gets really flat on certain areas, and so that's when you just kind of take your straightener to kind of curl it out and stuff like that. These are really more crimped than I like, so I'm also going to take my straightener a little bit through them just to kind of loosen them up and not make them look so like I meant to do it. So, and then you can kind of just like curve your straightener, you know, make little curls with them, stuff like that. So you just kind of are getting like a messy wave to your hair. And I'm going to go ahead and do my bangs. I like to keep these more on the straighter side. Usually when I'm working throughout the day, I tuck them behind my ears so they end up getting like a little flare to them. But I'll just go ahead and do it. So again, do that to the side. Just kind of go over them. They'll go flat once you do this. Just go over the hairs. And like, see, this one looks crazy. If some of them look crazy, don't forget you can just totally curl them. Like I'm going to do now. There's another step that I like to do personally, and I like to put some dry shampoo in my hair just because my hair gets really oily throughout the day, and it really helps. Like, for me, I feel like my roots get darker whenever I don't blow dry my hair, so I like to kind of just lighten them up with this because it does make them a little bit lighter. So I'm just kind of putting it wherever I feel like I'm going to need it. So kind of just through the top, really. And a little bit on the side because it looks a little bit greasy right there. And of course with this look you also have the option of using volumizing powders and stuff like that. Personally I feel like this makes my hair look pretty thick, I guess. So I don't really use a volumizing powder. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. It's just super effortless and really nice and easy to do. Doesn't require too much time. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you all in my next video.